Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting to talk about. Have you ever heard of the Daikin Streamer technology? No? Well, you're in for a treat. Daikin Streamer technology is a groundbreaking innovation in air purification. It's a unique technology developed by Daikin, a global leader in air conditioning and HVAC solutions. So, what exactly is the Daikin Streamer technology and why is it so special? Let's find out. Simply put, the Daikin Streamer technology is designed to improve indoor air quality by eliminating harmful substances in the air. It uses a combination of plasma discharge and a unique ionization process to decompose and eliminate various contaminants including bacteria, viruses, allergens, mold, and even odors. It has also shown that it will kill the coronavirus. Here's how it works. The Daikin Streamer technology generates high-speed electrons which collide with oxygen and nitrogen molecules in the air. This collision process creates plasma, releasing highly reactive components called streamers. These streamers then break down the harmful substances present in the air, turning them into harmless molecules like water and carbon dioxide. Now, let's talk about the products that feature Daikin Streamer technology. Daikin has incorporated this advanced air purification technology into various products, including air conditioners, air purifiers, and even ventilation systems. This means you can enjoy cleaner and healthier air in your homes, offices, or any indoor spaces where these products are installed. Whether you're looking to cool your room or create a safe environment for your family, Daikin Streamer technology has got you covered. Their air conditioners and air purifiers with streamer technology ensure that you will not only stay comfortable but also breathe cleaner air, free from harmful contaminants. Now, let's talk about the benefits of Daikin Streamer technology. First and foremost, it helps to improve indoor air quality by effectively removing bacteria, viruses, and other harmful substances. This is particularly beneficial for people with respiratory conditions or allergies. Secondly, Daikin Streamer technology eliminates unpleasant odors, making your indoor environment fresher and more pleasant. It's perfect for removing cooking smells or any other unwanted odors that may linger in your space. Lastly, Daikin Streamer technology is energy efficient and environmentally safe. By decomposing harmful substances in the air, it reduces the need for chemical-based air fresheners or sanitizers, which are not only costly but can also harm the environment. So if you're looking for a reliable and efficient air purification solution, the Daikin Streamer technology is definitely worth considering. It's a game changer when it comes to improving indoor quality. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.